Is so the world is the wide world. I took to smart took to my outlook. I'm waiting in the who is got back for my wars. I'll shroud in God follow the bright ark. Timur Kadida is so the wide world is a wide world. I took it to smart, I took it to my outlook. I'm waiting in some who be yes, the kids be no kids are no fee, what not the kid is more blunt and very. The whipping dandy Cadbury is so the wide award is a wide award. I took it to smart, I took it to my outlook. I'm waiting in some who is so the wide award is a wide award. I took it to smart, I took it to my outlook. I'm waiting in some Pretty mean about this.
Career Gwynws tá ann den Creek nuis. Bhádum héan agus an bannaceol tá an stáisiún seo. Buíochas mór a thuirt le cuile buine an stáisiún nniu agus túhéin na lucht na lúna a bhí an seo nniu. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy the Fleadh an awful lot. I can't wait to get down here myself for the weekend. It's going to be fantastic. I'm going home myself this evening, unfortunately. But I can't wait to get down here. It looks absolutely fantastic. So I hope that you enjoy the Fleadh weekend. We're going to finish up now with a set that we performed at National Concert Hall this year. Called, well, we don't really have a name for it. It's just a jig, a real jig, Ormond Sound and Shunnock Meg.
Míle Buíochas, the Fiúntas, Budapest, Sort Logan Scott, which is the Hunda Herfad, Intach. Agus, the Céile Brachan Shaw, Agus Orla Murphy, Budapest, the Colleen, Agus Aran, Intach Freshen. Well, did you enjoy that? Absolutely amazing energy, the youth, and bringing us a wonderful, wonderful selection. Well, Fiúntas were runners-up in this year's Shinsa, and it's a competition for young people between the ages of 12 and 19. So if you're out there and you're between 12 and 19, get a group together and look into that, because it's a wonderful opportunity to get together with your peers and to experiment and learn exciting tunes. And the biggest thing about the Shinsa competition is it really, really encourages innovation and lovely harmonies and lots of experimentation. So it's a really, really wonderful opportunity for young musicians to come together and see what they can do. And as you can hear from Fiúntas there, it's just amazing. I just want to tell you who was in Fiúntas there. They're from Laois, and you had David and Mark Vesey, Dara Clooney, Lily and Nisha Kettle from Spink Coltas, and Cleva Lowry, Molly Donnery and Connor Thompson from Camross Coltas. And as I said, they were the runners-up. And again, fabulous singing from Kayla, August, Orla Murphy Freshen, two girls from County Clare. Well, do stay with us. Delighted to see the crowd already coming together here at the Gig Rig. So much wonderful music and song to bring you, and dancing between now and 10 o'clock tonight. We're here every night right through to probably midnight on Sunday night, when the All-Ireland Cayley Band winners will be here playing for you. That's always the pinnacle, the most exciting part of the Gig Rig, and we're building towards that all the time. It's been a wonderful, wonderful few days so far here in County Clare. I'm sure you agree. I walked up the town on Monday and I felt it was like a Saturday of the All-Ireland. It was just so electric, and see so many people here already. So if you've just landed, Céad Míle Fáilte, you're very welcome to the Fly Down in Ennis. Behind me now, setting up, we have a very, very wonderful group of musicians, and they're local musicians. And this hour for the next few nights is going to be dedicated to bringing you a showcase of what goes on in County Clare in the Sessions. So Session is a Coltas initiative, and it's a Coltas concept, and basically it runs all over Ireland in July and August every summer. And it gives people a wonderful opportunity again to come together in their Coltas groups to sing and dance and play. The first part of the performance is always, you know, a concert setting where the people perform and dance and sing. And then the second part, they have a cup on tea, and after that then they invite people to join them and to sing and dance and play. So it's very much interactive, and it's a very unique concept really, because it's like getting the session and the concert at the one actual venue. So a very, very successful idea and concept from Coltas. So behind me we're going to come to our first session group to entertain on the Gig Rig starting this evening, and these people are from the Session in Cushnahauna, which is just out there in the Gart Road, and they come together and entertain. This has been going on for the last 22 years, this whole concept of the Session. So do stay with us, I'll be back to introduce them to you, and they're going to be absolutely exceptional. Some wonderful, wonderful musicians in the lineup. So do stay with us, back to you with the Cushnahauna Session just after the setup.